Hello everyone, it's Kenneth again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a haul from the online seller here in Toronto. Guys, na-miss niyo ba yung naka-headband ako kasi it's been a while na hindi ako nag-headband because sometimes I don't feel like. And also, like niyo ba yung aking background ngayon? It's so Christmassy kasi nga since it's December, so I decided to make my background a Christmas, right? So okay, so let's begin. By the way guys, I already opened one box kasi I'm not sure if this is coming from them kasi one of my employer before asked my address because they want to send something for me for Christmas, and because I'm so excited, I open it right away. So let's begin in here. The one it's open. Guys, what's in this bag is first the Dhc Collagen. So I saw one of my friend, we have the same community, she's a YouTuber as well. She's taking this one, so I asked her if this is good. She said yes, so I want to give it a try. Medyo pricey, pero if it's pag nag-okay naman, diba, it's worth it. Because I'm trying the other one, the Pure Beauty Collagen. Medyo maybe nakikita nyo yung skin ko ngayon. Just don't look at in this part kasi talagang freckles ko yan hindi na yata natatanggal kahit anong gawin kong rejuvenating. And so nakikita nyo naman, kaya hindi ako naglagay ng makeup guys, nag lip gloss lang ako. Makikita nyo dito medyo shiny siya kasi nga may glow effect yung Pure Beauty Collagen. So this is a collagen, and remember guys, last summer I was like, I'm always outside, it's so hot in here, of course it's summer, right? So she introduced this to me, the Aryan Glutathione with vitamin C and elastin. It's a lychee flavored drink. So I'm gonna do a review of this one as well, okay? And this is 7 vials. I'm gonna take this for 7 days. I'm gonna do this first before this one, and I think pwede ko silang pagsabayin. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna ask the seller kasi as far as I know, this is a collagen and this is the glutathione with vitamin C and elastin. Okay, so that's 2. And I opened this as accidentally kasi I'm so excited guys. I always see some of the YouTuber, they have this one, so I asked her. So this is original, it's still sealed. I just open it. Here's their thing. It's from Copper Mask .ph. Okay, so this is the color, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but maybe later on I'm gonna figure it out how to make it as some mask. Okay, and that's all guys. No, not really, that's all, because she sent me freebies. Okay, she sent me this one, the bushy brow. Wow, and look at this package, it's so nice. And she sent me 2 lipstick, and it's from Scout Beauty. Oh, she knows my color. Look at that. It's nice. Yeah, so that's all for this first box. So next, medyo malaki siya guys. Ito, it's the online seller as well. Natagalan yung shipping, pero sabi ka, 'di ba? Patience is a virtue. Ang dami. Okay. So first, dito muna tayo sa skincare. Diba sabi ko kanina, puro ito yung mga may skincare. I'm gonna try everything, guys. So, this is from Alpha 3 Plus Arbutin. It's organic underarm night cream. Sabi niya, meron daw niyan. Ito, alam ko to guys, kasi yung sa face cream, yun yung ginagamit ko sa underarm ko. Yung face cream nila. Pero I wanna try this one, and also this precious skin from Thailand, this Dhc Collagen armpit cream. So can you believe in this? How big the box is, and look at the thing. It's too small. Niloloko ako. So, I'm gonna try all of this. Let's see kung makakapagkili-kili reveal pa din ako. Oh, she said she gave me free something. So, this is from Precious Skin as well. So, I think this one, and this one, no, not. So all of these three are the same brand, the same company, and this is exciting. She sent me clips. So another surprise for me. So since I think she subscribed to my channel, kaya nakita niyang mahilig ako sa clips kasi lagi ako naka-clip, 'di ba? So yeah, she sent this to me and it's really cute. I know it's not, you know, but still it's super duper cute. Thank you. And this one I intended to buy. This is a keratin repair mask for my hair kasi nga guys, yung hair ko is hindi naman siya talagang maganda kasi nga parati akong nagko-color ng hair ko, kaya nagda-dry siya, as in nagda-dry, kaya kailangan niya ng food. Ito yung mga ni-recommend niya sa akin. It's from Thailand as well. Okay, so remember guys, this is for my sister. I always tell you that I love ang dami naman. Wow. I always tell you that I love pajamas. So this seller is nagbebenta din siya ng mga pajama, and yeah, alam niyo naman, pajama is life. So here you go. I think this is for my sister. It's my gift for her. And this is mine. Okay, so yeah, one. See, ang ganda niya guys, may lagayan pa. Red Mickey Mouse, and I chose size medium. Yeah, yellow. Yay! Ang ganda guys. And this. Last one, kasi yung isa is for my sister, is this one. And this one, shorts. Basta, ganyan lang siya. Maganda. Makikita nyo, magbablog ako na nakapajama kasi mukha akong pajama. I mean, mukha akong, alam mo yun, laging, gusto laging pajama. Ayun guys. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung haul ko today. At saka sana naman guys, give a try to check their FB page para makatulong naman ako sa kanila. Kasi, at saka marami kayong makikita doon. Hindi nga lang ako bumili ng mga pang slim. Kasi nga, medyo takot ako. Magna-natural diet na lang ako. Okay? So, yeah. Yung mga collagen and the glutathione, I'm going to do a separate video while trying those. Okay? Please keep on checking on my channel for more updates of those two and for this one. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless. I love you guys. Bye.